the menu today is fresh tilapia and goat meat light soup. This is the second time I'm uploading this video. The first time I used a song from the YouTube library. It's supposed to be free, but after dropping the video, they changed their minds. In my saucepan on fire, I have my neatly washed goat meat. I'm going to season it with some salt. Brother Bernard. So after adding the salt, I'll go ahead and add my blended onions and ginger. I'll stir everything together to form a union and then cover it for them to get to know each other the more while stirring intermittently for 20 minutes. If today is your first time here, a very big akwaba to you. Akwaba simply means welcome in my language. And if you are a returning subscriber, chop kids, I don't take your love and support for granted. After the 20 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my blended veggies consisting of turkey berries, tomatoes, onions, peppers and carrots. Oh yes, I love vibrant colored soups and also hot, very hot peppered soups. Missy Munyaba no say wa made me pen kwan koko ene nkwan ya nkwan moko atware mu nti mesa de tomato paste kakra bi awo no ewo wan kona ha. Afei se oba hanso a me wo me fresh tilapia me de nchine egu ho na afei me de echia ware seasoning so kakra the apeti ho na afei the onion and ginger blend na I used initially no me de nia kanso egu ho. The inspiration of using echia ware is from Taste and Bloom. Yes me ono na otai use ntine ma me di bi efrifie ebaye. Afei uba ginger ne nso mase besra me na echa kunu hwan he visited no ono so boy aponchen krakra bi ne tilapia on mommy's birthday, and guys, the ginger, oh girl, ginger ni ginger. And so since then no and mama started using ginger in my soups. Ebre ni ho mame enti fish no me season ye na esi ho for about 10 minutes, but udie no you may leave it in the freezer for some time, preferably overnight. Oye ne side there everything ebe kukomu fine undia ubeti the ginger and every other thing you've added. Into Yahano, I am adding the tilapia to the soup, after which I'll reduce the flame. So the beye betonebo na ben sabre and quine no aye resi on se oil no abe settle weni. Into headmistress me che enamuniti na afe menum na ma pe ebi e de account me se me ye nkwan a day one ni de me nyeja me ho me sepe me ho me twa menum. I cut my mouth. And of course, whenever I cook, I love to give out. You see, I gave some out to my friends. Until I come away with another video, my dear, be safe.